morning, New Yorkers. How are you doing, sweetie? Sweetheart, are you okay? The weather in New York is like that since like last week, and it's been changing like every day, and yeah. It's like you don't know what's gonna happen because on Sunday they're saying that 60 by Fahrenheit. I still don't get your things because we are living in there like you know level. Yeah. Like kilometers, not like miles and stuff. Foods? What? How many foods? You see, like everywhere you go, you can find something creative, and it's cool. It's really cool. Oh my god! There's a unicorn! So, it is shitty weather today, but doesn't matter. Look at that freaking guy. He's like, what I'm doing in this like billboard? Why I'm in there? Why? I'm in black and white billboard in the middle of New York.
My favorite.
That's your favorite place in New York, is it?
Yeah.
The book place. Yeah? Really? Oh, they're closed. Okay.
It's like that.
Okay. So this is your favorite place. What is special about it? You can read the books in here or what?
Because you can get a book, you can read a book, and you can hang out there and drink your tea.
That's nice. Guys, basically this is my first time experiencing American subways, and it is insane. I thought it's gonna be the way worth it than it is. Actually, it's nice and clean, and I'm surprised there's no rats. So this was just a stereotype. Go to downtown. Yes. Everything's nice and it's quite clean. So I'm surprised and I feel like, whoa, subways is fine. It's really normal to tell to people like, I like your hair in New York, or I like how do you look like, or something like that, because this kind of like unusual thing for Russians or I don't know Singaporeans to say, because we never like walking passing people by the street and saying like, oh, I like your hair, you look great today, oh, like have a good day. People in New York, they don't care how do you look like. They don't care. It's Nike shop.
I want to go in here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, I don't have my phone. What do we have here?
Yeah, let's go there. Smells like fresh, nice shoes. Smells like Nikes, my favorite brand of shoes. Zanotti sucks, by the way, guys. If you buy Zanotti shoes, that's only for the fancy events, okay? Never ever walk in Zanotti shoes. That's my suggestion. Yes, babies have the same one but white color. Amazing. It's like the most unique sneakers you can find in here. That's like heaven for everybody who loves sneakers. And then I don't know any human being who don't like to walk in sneakers. I have exactly the same one but this one. Look how cool this advertising is. Smells like Nikes. So basically this is the heaven for people who love sneakers.
I just wanna know what you looking for. I just wanna know what you looking for. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. I just wanna know. Yeah. Fuck all the talking, I'm in this forever. brothers and buzzing, we ballin'. Suburban shit, we gon' whip in that coupe. 100K counting, my views going up. I'm running this shit like my last name was Trump. Baby, this city is everything.
Good job.
I love zombies.
You're one of them.
It's the only thing that can scare me.
And buy more, save more.
Really?
Yes.
Sale. Take 40% off 3 or more pairs for her. Plus, shop incredible specials now through Sunday. Get the lowest prices of the season now at Macy's. Plus, plenty
Everything is moving so fast.
every day for savings at Macy's. Savings at
Shit. Wait.
Toyota's one
Damn,
for
I'm not
everyone
aiming
sales
well.
event.
Are you serious right now? You can't.
Fucking.
You alright?
It's a zombie game. It's the fucking best. I love this game.
Maybe I'm the shit out the nebula. Portobello love, girl, it's like a drug. Need a taste of her. Yeah, I need a taste of her. Hottest thing in the game right now. Rose to splits, pop a perk right now. I ain't been myself since I left last year. Did work on the track, now my whole team here. I'm working hard, smoking weed, taking shots, and I'm gone. Reminisce, you and me, I feel that you are the one. All these bad women in the club trying to get me sprung on a beat, swerving and saucing, I'm driving and rolling up right to the street. I'ma show you love now today. I ain't feeling you, but these other hoes, Nikki, you so bad, I might need to blow. Yeah, it's time to go. She don't want it
Like, so I'm about to use for my best friend.
Perfume?
No, it's GoPro.
Oh, really? Wow. Nice. You want me to get rid of it?
Huh?
You want me to pull this out?
Yes, please. Do you have any small bags?
Well, we have laundry bags. I'll show you what we have.
Thank you.